Hi everyone, it's Denise back with Keto with Denise and another one of those burning questions on the keto journey. This one comes up more than I can tell you. I've even experienced it. How do you handle the naysayers of keto? Believe it or not, as a certified keto coach, I still get this challenge, right? But here's what I've learned to do, and I want you to use this technique as well because one, I like to make it fun for myself. No longer being defensive, no longer trying to sell people on keto and the benefits of keto. We're gonna have some fun with it, okay? So one of the things you can do is ask them what they know about keto, and you're gonna be blown away at the incorrect information that comes out of most people's mouths about keto. And because you're so well informed, hopefully you've been watching and the videos on my channel, you're well informed about healthy keto. So when you start to hear some of the stuff that people say, you automatically know they are not informed. So why get upset about that? Let them go, okay? Another question you can ask having some fun with this is ask them what they're doing to improve their health or lose weight. And is it working? You'll know that answer for the most part, but just ask them, well, what are you doing to lose weight or improve your health, right? And see what comes back from that. Another fun thing to ask is ask them if they've ever tried keto. Most people that are really bashing the ketogenic way of eating have never tried it, so they don't even know if it works. And not only that, they really don't understand it either. So have a little fun with it. But here's a way to take it even further. Let your results speak for themselves. People are going to be watching you. Stay the course. We have videos on how to do successful keto, healthy keto at that. So I want you to stay the course. Let your results speak. And after a while, those naysayers, be them family, friends, colleagues, co-workers, whatever, they're going to be applauding your success. Some of them, most of them, will want to join you on that journey, okay? So just stay the course and have a little fun with this one. Thanks for watching. Hi, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And by the way, click the bell too so that you'll be notified when there's new content like this. Thank you again for watching.